Hello everyone. Today let us learn how to measure the time. That is, our topic is measurement of time. We have seen in our earlier videos how to measure the length and also how to measure the mass. We have seen in the previous two videos measurement of length and measurement of mass. Measurement of length starting from very small value to very big value, how to measure the length. We have seen that. And mass also starting from very small values, that is like the mass of an atom, to the mass of universe. We have seen how to measure the mass. Now here we will learn about measurement of time. To measure any time interval, we need a clock. We always look at the clock to measure any time. Most of the time, most of the times, when we are measuring the time, we keep a clock or a wristwatch and look at the clock to know the time. Especially children, when you all are writing the exams, you keep on looking at the clock to see the time. And whenever any class is going on, any lecture is going on, generally you look at the clock and you see the time. To measure any time interval means duration, we need a clock. Definitely, we need a clock. Different types of clocks are available. Now, different types of clocks are available, like olden days pendulum clock to modern days digital clocks. Different types of clocks are available. But some clocks are accurate and some are not accurate. Some are very good, some are not that much good. Then, how to know which clock is the best clock? The best clock is based on vibrations produced by a cesium atom. The best clock is a standard clock. Now, what is this standard? We now use an atomic standard of time which is based on the periodic vibrations produced in a cesium atom. There is a cesium atom. In that atom, different levels are there. That is, in the chemistry, you study about different states of an atom. In that, you can also see the ground state. In the ground state, different levels are there again. So, whenever the vibrations between two levels, whenever the vibrations between two levels are measured, if the number of vibration between two levels of the ground state of cesium 133 atom is equal to 9192,631,770, then that particular time taken for these many vibrations is called as 1 second. Once again, I repeat, what is 1 second? Each person can say 1 second is different duration. One person can say like that, one country can say like that, but we have to follow some international standards. What is this international standard? In the cesium atomic clock, the second is taken as the time needed for 9192,631,770 vibrations of the radiation between two levels of the ground state of cesium 133 atom. That means the radiation between two levels of a ground state makes vibrations between these two levels. So the number of vibrations which take the time, that is number of vibrations 9,192,631,770 vibrations, for how much time they take. The time taken for these many vibrations is taken as 1 second. The time taken for these many vibrations is taken as 1 second. Now, if you follow this international standard, the clocks are very, very, very accurate. The cesium atomic clocks are very accurate. Now, in the universe, there are different time ranges. One class lecture may go for 50 minutes or 1 hour, or we have different ranges. One football match may go for 1.5 hours, and you can say different things like that. A journey may take 24 hours, and by train. A journey may take 24 hours by train or 3 hours by a flight. Like that, we can say the duration depending upon the travel, depending upon the mode of travel, and depending upon different things, we measure the durations. Like that, if you take intervals of times, the shortest time will be there and the longest time will also be there. If you take the ratio of the longest and shortest time intervals in our universe, that will be equal to 10 to the power of 41. The ratio of the longest and shortest time intervals in our universe is about 10 to the power of 41. The SI unit of time is second. So already we have defined what is a second. So with that, we can conclude this topic of measurement of time. Thank you for watching this video. Let us meet in the next video with a new topic. Until then, bye. God bless you all.